To address the issue of high memory usage by the Steam Client WebHelper, several factors can contribute to the problem. These include the use of in-game overlays, high-performance mode, and online mode. To resolve these issues, start by disabling in-game overlays. Open the Steam client, locate the Settings menu, and click on the In-game option. Then, toggle off the Enable Steam Overlay while in-game option, and also disable the Use the Big Picture Overlay when using a controller option. Next, enable Low Performance Mode by opening the Steam Settings menu, selecting the Library tab, and toggling on the Low Performance Mode option. Finally, switch to Offline Mode by navigating to the Steam main screen, selecting Steam to access the drop-down menu, and clicking Go Offline. By following these steps, you can fix the high memory usage issue with your Steam Client WebHelper.